Okay, this is going to be a video on how to use a protractor to find the measure of an angle. All right, so we are going to look at Brady and Priya, and they're both looking at the angle TUS. So angle TUS. Priya believes that that angle is 40 degrees. Brady believes that that angle is 140 degrees. So they're clearly both looking here. And the question is, well, who is right? Well, if we were in class, I would say, well, who would you agree with? And explain your reasoning. But I'm just going to kind of explain it to you. So the way to think about it is, first we have to look at the angle itself. When we look at that angle, TUS, is that angle acute, right, or obtuse? Acute means that that angle is less than 90 degrees. Or we always think a small angle. Right means it's exactly 90 degrees. And obtuse means it is greater than 90 degrees, but less than 180. So when I look at this angle right here, it's clearly an acute angle. It is less than 90 degrees. 90 degrees would be right here. Okay, so the answer would be it is 40 degrees. Okay, so where would that other one be? The 140 degrees that Brady thought it was? I think it was Brady. Well, if we were to mark on this, still using that T, you would have the line going to here, and then there's the 140, and it would extend down to there. Okay? And that's going to be the key to figuring out is, one, figure out what kind of angle we're looking at, acute, right, or obtuse, and then think about the numbers that are across the top of the protractor. Okay, so protractors are often labeled with two sets of angle measures, so we need to consider which side of the protractor we're measuring from. Okay, and the keys here is that when you do measure, and we're not going to be doing this online right now, but when we get back to school, if you do have to measure it, you always place your vertex here along the center, and then make sure that one leg of the angle is right across the bottom, and then let the other leg measure out, and you can measure it off of the numbers that are there.